Okay guys, what's up? Beef Stew here, and we have the new Equinox hybrid. Hybrid version of the original Equinox. I believe it is 2 parts pearl, 1 part solid. Let's bowl a game with me and see what it does. So we'll bowl on a slightly used house shot. I've been using this one for about a week. I feel like it's smoother than the original, and obviously with it being kind of shiny, it's definitely getting more through the front part of the lane than the solid. I didn't really feel like it was worthwhile bringing the Equinox solid out because they're just such different balls. It's definitely very round. The first one was kind of like that, but I feel like the first one had a little bit more of a hockey stick type motion. This one, definitely rounder. So let's keep chasing it in a little bit. And the thing that's good about balls with like kind of round emotions on the house shot is once the dry starts to get a little bit drier, you're not going to see that super change of direction off it. You're going to see something that'll blend it out. So that's why, like, at times, Equinox, the original Equinox was good, but as the lane started to break down and you move more into the puddle, it kind of made them a little bit wet dry. Oh, that was lucky. And I'm kind of hoping with this one, with it having that like 1 part solid, I think it's 1 part solid, it's gonna like kind of be able to have, you know, dig more into the oil and just be a little bit of a overall smoother motion. So maybe I'll be able to, you know, even start with the original Equinox and then kind of, once they start to break down, I need to move left. That's when this one will look good. Because it's not even really thinking about wanting to, you know, really get left, you know, off the end of the pattern. It kind of really smooth, predictable motion. This is actually reminding me a little bit of like a stronger Absolute. Even that one, I was a little bit, you know, square up the lane. Looked like it wanted to hook a little bit too much, but still, you get that blend of the hybrid. That's why some of my favorite balls on house shots have been, you know, hybrid, shiny hybrid asymmetricals. Like Hypercell Fused is one that really stuck out for me as being really useful. Oh boy, that's terrible. Wow. That was lucky. I don't think we should say anything really about the bowling ball there. I think that was, a lot of that was the lane guy. So shout out to the lane guy, shout out to Mark, good work. You've got the blend good for this season. Maybe we'll be setting some records this season, who knows? All right, let's dial back in a little bit. See, that was a good one. That was a nice one. So how far are we in this game? We're in the front 8? Yeah, front 8. So, ass is becoming the thing. It's becoming a theme. Me having big scores with these balls. I should have convinced Ryan to do a video with me on this one. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I will stick the link to our Vengeance review, Vengeance Returns. Me and Ryan Barnes, we had a kind of a head-to-head shit-talking match, and it didn't work out very well for Ryan. So, let's see. Please. Oh, there we go, front 10. So this is going way better than I thought it might have done today. Didn't have a very good weekend down in San Antonio, so confidence was a little down, but looks like this might be repairing some of that confidence. Too much around it. All right, so front 10, 7. Okay, right. So let's see what the original Equinox will do. When I've been throwing it, this one's been a little longer and a little more responsive. Definitely more responsive. That's where it like really chews into the dry, comes off it, which, like I say, this is definitely going to be more of a control piece. The Equinox, a bit more like, you know, down lane pop. That was close, but this ball is available in a couple of weeks. I will put the exact date right here. Please consider supporting some of the sponsors that support us. There will be a link to Bowler Mart. We get a really small commission, so if you get a chance, please pre-order it from there. But otherwise, if you like this shirt, coolwit.com, and check out BeefStew10 is the code at checkout. Thank you, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.
Ora tra,